Good evening. According to the Pennsylvania Health Department, there are more than 100 COVID patients at hospitals across Erie County.
And more than 40 patients are battling COVID in intensive care units. All of this coming on the same day that the country sets a one-day high for hospitalizations. Chelsea Swift joins us now in the control room with more about the capacity at local hospitals despite this spike. Chelsea.
Jill and John, one representative from Mill Creek Community Hospital says COVID patients continue to be admitted. He says the number of active COVID cases in Erie is concerning. According to the Pennsylvania Department of Health, there are 127 COVID patients at hospitals in Erie. 45 of those patients are battling COVID in intensive care units, and 11 COVID patients are on ventilators. One representative from UPMC Hammett says during the first week of January, 79 patients were admitted to the hospital.
We're seeing a smaller percentage of the community needing hospitalization, which we think is due to the likely more mild illness with Omicron. However, we do see when there are large increases in the community, we do expect hospitalization. So I think we're going to be very watchful the next 7 to 10 days following the weekend's high numbers.
One representative from Mill Creek Community Hospital says while the number of hospitalizations remains high, the number of active COVID cases in Erie County is concerning.
Over the weekend, Erie County set 2 records in back-to-back days for the number of positive cases. The more people that test positive, the more cases that are going to eventually feed into the hospital.
Dr. Nadworny says at St. Vincent Hospital, vaccinated patients recover faster from the virus. Dr. Nadworny says many unvaccinated patients are more likely to suffer with complications and need to be put on a ventilator.
My fear is that in the next several weeks, we will see more people being hospitalized because we still have a lot of unvaccinated, never infected patients in Erie County. And this is such a contagious virus that it's likely that once it spreads into that population, we'll be seeing more people admitted.
Medical experts recommend scheduling a booster shot if you haven't yet received one to better protect yourself from the virus. Sean?
And Chelsea Swift in the newsroom, rather in the control room tonight.